Learn Excel from MrExcel Podcast, episode 2416. Get a unique of a rectangular range using the brand new MAKEARRAY function. Hey, welcome back to the MrExcel Netcast. I'm Bill Gillen. We've been talking about these new Lambda helper functions. We already talked about map, reduce, scan, BYROW, and BYCOL. Today I want to talk about MAKEARRAY. When I saw this one, I was like, oh, let's revisit this 9 minutes and 48 seconds of hell. Getting the unique on a rectangular range, which had a lot of methods, including this one by my friend Liam. Just a terrible way to go. All right, MAKEARRAY, very simple. How many rows do you want? How many columns do you want? And then what's the logic? What's the formula for each intersection of row and column? So here we're doing 12 rows by 5 columns, and then the Lambda function needs R and C, row and column, and what the calculation is. Now, the classic one is R times C to create a multiplication table, but it can be anything, right? 2 times R divided by C, whatever you need. The complex method here, and this is the one in the video, we had a rectangular range of data, and I wanted to get a unique of all the items there, not on a BYROW basis. So the question was how to unwind this into a single column so we could pass it all to unique. And the formula that lets me do that is this one, all right? So we use the let function, assign the array to B2 to G15, count how many rows there are using the rows, count how many columns there are using columns, and then how many total items there are. In this case, it's 84 items using row count times column count. Now here's where MAKEARRAY hops in. I'm going to create an array that's 84 columns tall and 1 column wide. And then the calculation is going to be a Lambda where we pass it R and C. Now C is going to be 1 every single time, so we're not even going to use C in this. It's just which row are we trying to figure out. And then this becomes a nice little dance here of trying to figure out which row we want to get the data from, and that's using the mod function. You always have to worry about the mod of 14 divided by 14 is going to be 0 instead of 1. So there's a little if statement here. If A is equal to 0, then use 14, otherwise the calculation of A. To get the column, we're going to do R, which row here divided by the row count, rounding up. That makes sure that we get to the right column. And what we get is in the first 14 items, orange through, I don't know how to pronounce that. Is that Zigwa? Orange through Zigwa appears, and then we start banana here is column 2, and it unwinds. Now once we get that whole thing, then it's just simple to wrap the whole formula in unique. There's the unique list, and then to sort that, just add a sort function. That and the sorted unique list. I don't know if this is any better than any of the methods in the 9 minute and 48 second video, but the one advantage, this video is a lot shorter and you can get on with your day. If you like these videos, please down below click like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Feel free to post any questions or comments down in the comments below. I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.